Hey, on Peyton Speed Shop today, we got this. Yeah, stick around, buddy. I am so excited that I can hardly stand it. He's gonna back in here and we're gonna have something just amazing. And I've been waiting for about 6 months. Hey kids, today in Honest Peyton Speed Shop, we have a fantastic weekend update for you. So, hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe and all that good stuff, because you're not gonna believe what's next. Hey guys, my name's Chad. What are you doing? Why are you in the junkyard moving rocks? Well, because we got some big changes happening here at Honest Peyton Speed Shop, and it's part of it. No, I'm not doing landscaping. No, but I need to get this part cleaned out. Why? You'll see. Settle down. Yep. Just load it up. Yeah, I didn't get a tractor, but I got a with tracks. Hey kids. What a glorious Minnesota day. Now, just want you to know, I got something coming today. And I'm pretty damn excited about it. And I think you will be too. So stick around. Yeah. What do you guys think of the skid steer, huh? Yeah. We'll talk about that in just a minute. The other thing we got coming, or happening, should be coming right this way any minute now. And man, I can't wait to show you. Things are going to change so much here in the next short while that it's going to be fantastic. It's a lot deeper than I thought it was. Plus there's stupid plastic in there. I'll get it. I just ain't got it yet. Thanks, Rat Rod Bob. Well, it came from a different way, but that's all right. I am so excited that I can hardly stand it. He's gonna back in here and we're gonna have something just amazing. And I've been waiting for about 6 months. This dude can back a trailer, unlike somebody I know, which is me. Oh my gosh. 6 months I've been waiting. 6 months. The best thing that's happened to the shop in 2026. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. I can't wait to show you. Super nice dude. Tell you what, he's a Marine, and he made it up here in about a day and a half from, well, somewhere awesome. And really appreciate him. Gave him a sticker because I found one. And he's heading all the way back about halfway tonight. It's about a 2-day drive, so he'll drive for another probably 6-8 hours and then make the rest of the way. So appreciate you, man. It's time to show you right now. The Pete and Jake's frame has arrived, and it's for that coupe right there. Yep, darn tootin'. And it came with, I ordered a 9-inch, and that's right back there. Can you see it? It's there. Got my trans mount and my axles. Oh yeah. And my beautiful new Pete and Jake's hat. Plus, got myself a t-shirt and another shop jacket, because let's face it, I needed stuff. Now, honestly, I am absolutely super excited because let's take a tour. All right, here's the tour. There's the frame. All right, now I want you guys to take a look at this. Got my shock mounts, motor mounts, all the body mounts are on. I got my hairpin mounts, my cross member transmission. I got my 4-link there, my pan hard bar, and for my coilovers. And up here, I've got my steering stabilizer bar, sway bar, whatever you want to call it right there. so I don't death wobble down the road. I'm so excited. Can you believe it? Can you dig it? I knew that you could. So that right there is the weekend update from Honest Peyton Speed Shop. Now you can see I've been digging around in here. Why? Well, there's more to come on that. Just not today. The biggest problem with what I got going on is there's landscape plastic under here. So my bucket catches and it won't pick it up because it's, underneath all the rocks. So what I've been doing is just kind of going in and pulling them back and pulling them back and pulling them back as best I can. And then we're putting them around the house in the low spots where the rock's there. But honestly, what more do you need? Oh, wait. We're going to talk a little bit about the skid steer because we didn't. And then we're going to shut this down. Pete and Jake's. God, I'll tell you what, if you need something, you give them a call. I don't care where you're at. You call them. This won't do anything for you, but tell them Honest Peyton Speed Shop sent you. Can you do that? All right, here we go. All right, so this is the AGT Industrial, because we're industrial here. And it's the SDA 140T. T, tracks. And we'll take you to the cockpit. We got this right here. Got the throttle right there. Choke. On off seat with armrests. We can't use them because you got to be up here. This is the right or the left track, and that's the bucket. Right track and bucket. And this is for accessories. Right there. Now this is the smaller one. It has 13 horsepower, but I think it's going to do everything I need it to do. This is also going to be the winter machine for moving snow. I'll tell you what, it's rugged when you got to do that. Oh yeah, look, it's Pigpen. Had to move it out of the way again. But I'm super excited. This came today. This is Saturday the 12th, 13th. Excuse me. Something. But I was messing around up for an hour and a half, digging in there, doing laps. See? Don't even talk about it. I'm very excited. Can't tell. And we got our Pete Jakes frame. And we got Pretty Boy Floyd. Now, let's face it, Pretty Boy Floyd, it's his turn. That brings us to what's going on in here. Nothing. Also, I want to go ahead and tell you that I'll probably put a little clip. Slowpoke earned his keep this weekend too, and you'll be able to see it around in here. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this great little video, and stick around because as soon as I can make room in here, that is going to be ready and willing. Not really sure where we're going. We're going to work on that. And we're also going to be using that skid steer around the shop more. You know how I know? Because I bought it. So, stick around for this and our skid steer, along with Bonnie and Clyde, too. Can't forget about them. All right, that's Peyton Speed Shop. We are we're ready to get our build on. That's going to be right here, this guy. Whew, man. Yeah, should be good. All right, it's enough blabbing. Hey kids, yeah. So we got this cleaned up. This was the stuff that was in the junkyard. We got those moved, right? You guys met Skiddy McSkidface, right? All right, kids. Last thing we got to do before we can do anything else with the skid steer. This thing, the SDA 140T, is 100% Honest Peyton Speed Shop approved. You know how I know? Because I got the sticker right here. All right. And while we're at it, I'm going to put one from my brothers, the Drifters, on here just for fun. Because I'm not going to put a car code plaque on it. Maybe. I could. All right, kids. It's official. Part of the crew, part of the team, part of the... Anyway, back to the video. All right, so here's what we got. Here's what we did. And took those stupid rocks out. And there's silly rocks all around the house. So we took the skid steer, mixed skid face. We scooped the rocks out. We put them around the house wherever it was low. Plus, watch, sorry for the wind, there's this plastic underneath here. Now, why did we do this? Well, I think you know, because I mean, it's way better. And my skid steer, I started with 0.2 hours, and now I am at 4.2 hours. Yes. So the junkyard has a new face. Doesn't make sense. Anyway, the junkyard looks different. This is all part of the new and improved Honest Peyton Speed Shop from whenever it was before till now, the weekend update. Yeah. A lot of work. I want to thank the foreman. She really helped me out here a lot. She also said that next time she's on the skid steer and I'm going to be in here, or I'm going to work the shovel. And I was like, yeah, you chose the shovel life. One person who did not help was Peyton. Not at all. She decided that she was going to be a turd. So anyway, junkyard 2.0. Minnesota's smallest junkyard. See, we already got junk in it too. Can't wait for what's next. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this. Hit that subscribe button and all that cool stuff, you know, because we got lots coming. Lots more coming. All right. Keep on wrenching.